máa pé bí tá a wà yìí. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ra phase 1 bóyá yàrá mo purọ́ ṣẹ́bẹ̀ pé inú gbé báyìí níjọ́ náà wọ́n ló ti dìlú yìí extension lélẹ́yìn náà o tàbá ṣẹ́jú pẹ́ báyìí á tún dìlú. Ìwọ má dúró de tó ń bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ ṣe ìfẹ́ inú ẹ. Wọ́n ní kákàsí nǹkan la máa kọ́ mi 2 bedroom 5.5 3 bedroom 8.5 kò ṣe bá a lè parí ẹ̀ o a lè parí ẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n àwọn kan sọ pé àwọn fẹ́ ṣe to their taste nǹkan báyìí ló wù mí lò ń bẹ̀ nǹkan báyìí ló wù mí lò ń bẹ̀ òun la ṣe fẹ́ tẹ́ wọn lọ́rùn. A fún yín lọ́dún méjì láti fi sanwó o mà ní gbẹ̀yìn inú nǹkan rẹ̀ ájú ló tún ṣe léyìí ẹ mọ̀ pé rọrùn ni gbogbo tájú bá ṣe torókè làwa wà àdèmá máa wà lókè títí ayé tètè wá ara tiẹ̀ ìyá rẹ̀ mò ló polówó o mọ̀ pé ntẹ̀ bá ti polówó jẹ̀níù ni o ò ní ralẹ̀ ń bí ká lọ fún ẹlẹ́kìtì kákàsí mo máa ra àwọn máa lọ fún mi kákàsí ní Àbújá ẹ bá tiẹ̀ rábùjá inú àdùn wọ́n máa fún ẹ ní ilé egbò máa bọ̀ ń bí kó wá ra ọjà tó dáa sínú ẹ máa dùn tó máa filẹ̀ fáwọn ọmọ tó máa tún filẹ̀ fọmọ. Ilẹ̀ ọlọ́ràá níbí kò sómi kò sí wàhálà kò sí dààmú máa bọ̀ agview ló ń pè é ìrọ̀rùn ló bá dé ọdún méjìlá fún ẹ tó bá ra 2 bedroom kàkà 5.5 3 bedroom 8.5 adẹ̀fún ọlọ́dún méjì kò fi san eré aṣoríire o.
Welcome to Treasure Island Estate, Owe Fada, Phase 1 Extension. Here we have 2 bedroom bungalows and 3 bedroom bungalows. 2 bedroom is selling for 5.5 million naira with initial deposit of 250,000 and spread the balance for 24 months. You can spread the balance as convenient after the initial deposit. There is no encumbrance, there is no issue, no money wahala, no government problem. The land is not waterlogged, it's dry land, it's not undulating. It's a place you can invest. And if you want to buy the 3 bedroom, it's selling for 8.5 million naira, Kaka structure. You pay your initial deposit of 1.5 and spread the balance for 24 months, 2 years. No interest, no issues, no problem. This one, no court wahala, no police problem. You can buy this place and rent out. There are companies around that can rent from you. You can buy this place and sell in future rather than keeping your money in bank. And also, you can buy this place and move in and be living there. As your whole, is your life, is a lifetime investment. If you buy it, you get it. With Agri Investment Limited, when we promise, we always deliver. We are expecting you come and invest into the future. Agri Investment always delivers. Thank you. Thank you. This estate marks the 15th estate which we have launched as a company in the last 11 years. When they talk about experience, we have got the experience. In the last 11 years, we've been in business without any issue. There is nobody, either living or dead, that as a company we are owing anything. If it is government, we pay our government. Because of our core value, we have got this core value that is guiding our principle, everything we do on daily basis. We have the 4 Ds, which is our core value. The first one is determination. Anything we want to achieve, we are determined. You know, somebody will come here today and say, that place is bush, is inside, it's still like this, it's still that. Look at the people living there. They are living there. Look at that place. When we go to that place, it's the same thing. And that's why I used to tell them, you must have that sight. Even as a consultant, you must have the 5 sight, which is very important. You must daily assess and examine and check yourself. Am I aligning myself into the right, doing the right thing? The 4 Ds, which is determination, is very important. I remember when we were processing the Hilltop Estate. The Hilltop Estate was so tough and rough, in concluding that transaction. But we were, determined and resolute. And today we have the estate running, and as a company we are also called the pace setter. We got to Alagbado first. We built the bridge. As of today, we have other 11 estates that have actually joined us there in the last 1 year. And look at what Abia has actually done in opening up the place. Even the former president Obasanjo told us that he has been trying to sell the place in the last 5 years. And there has been several challenges. But when we came in, God showed up. Hallelujah. And we thank God for his faithfulness.
Hallelujah.
We thank God for his faithfulness. So that's determination, our first value. The second one is development. All our estates, we make sure that we develop our estate. We make sure that development is key. Because development brings progress. Development brings appreciation in value. When you develop a place, the money, the estate increases and had more value. Look at where we first entered, 700 houses. You can't compare. A plot of land there sells for about 2 million naira. And I remember when we first launched, it was 350, 450, 550. I saw one of our clients when we turned in at that junction, at Orilemo junction. Professor Mrs. Koko Abimbola. That woman, we bought 6 acres. She stays in South Africa. We bought 6 acres of land just right opposite there. We built our very first house at Aoyaya in one of our estates, 6 lots. We built the house there, and she saw us. She said she would like to come and join this marketing. She's happy, That is the joy, so that we can see ourselves tomorrow and be happy. When issues came during the Aoyaya project, government came to demolish so many houses in that area. But Hagview, because of that determination, we met with them and we said, no, this place is exempted. You can't touch this place. And understanding, negotiation, one-on-one talking, just find a way around it. You don't need to go to Harvard to learn that. Just street sense alone, you should be able to, my partner used to say something that I like to listen to. He said there are 2 things that solve land issues. Because issues usually arise. The first one is money. And the second one is what? Good talk. Sensible conversation. Kókó mọ̀rọ̀ gidi sọ lẹ́nu. Ẹlòmíì mọ̀rọ̀ gidi bọ̀gọ̀ sọ́wọ́ áàfù ni. Ẹlòmíì owó tí wà kò lọ́rọ̀ gidi wọ́n á kàn gbowó ẹ̀ ọmọ nílẹ̀. Ó lọ ń tiwọn nìyẹn. Wọ́n á ní mọ́mọ́ dá lóhùn ó ti bú wa. Lẹ́yìn tó kọ̀ wá fún So bringing these two together, we've been able to scale so many hurdles, and God has been helping us. Development that appreciates value. And the third one is documentations. We make sure we process all documents. That estate there has got C of O. The C of O is not in anybody's name. It had the investment limited. A publication came out, and we got the government of Ogun State issued the C of O, certificate of occupancy. Out of 15 estates, there are only 2 that we are still processing. This will go in the 3rd now, making 3. Others has got what? Documents. All the estates, documents. Even the phase 2 behind international breweries, there is a portion of the phase 2 that has what? C of O. And the frontal side was allocated from Ogun State government to Agview. So that's a loan. That letter of allocation alone is a document, a very strong document, and we are also processing other documents as well. So documentation is very important. If you are processing, if you are into land transactions, please take documentation as a top priority. There are 2 things that you need to have told you this. The first one is, you as a laying claim to a land, or a property, there are major two things. The first one is documentations, and the second one is what? Possession.
Possession.
If you have possession and don't have the document, it's half. You have bought a land, you have the document, you are not in possession, it's also half, you know, in this country. So the two, you know, are very, very what? Vital. Then the final one is delivery. You like to deliver what you have paid for. Get it. Give unto Caesar what belongs to what? Caesar. You have, the person worked so hard in paying you hard-earned money. Give the person. Don't just abandon the place. Develop the place. Let the client come and be happy. We now enjoy what? In Hartview, we enjoy referrals. We have clients in the US, in over 20 countries of the world. They now introduce us every day to their friends because of the experience they have, you know, seen in Hartview Investment Limited. And I was shocked. I never knew I would actually see Professor there. He just you know. But if you have done something wrong, she will just told you that this is the person that did. You know, that is life. You have to be open, you have to be responsible, and you have to be responsive in doing this business.